Hello, you're watching ERi-TV English News Broadcast live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Han Barhat. Let's first look at the top stories that are making headlines today. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. International Women's Day commemoration. Russia and Ukraine peace talks. Firefighters in Chile battled back blazes. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests is carried out today at testing stations in the Ansaba region. On the other hand, one patient who has been receiving medical treatment in hospital in the central region has recovered fully and has been discharged from this facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,598, while the number of deaths stands at 103. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 9,705. Ministry of Health, Asmara, to March 2022. International Women's Day, 8 March, will be commemorated, respecting the guidelines to control the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Nait Mahari, head of Socio-Economic Service at the National Union of Eritrean Women, said that the commemoration event that already started from 1 March will include seminars, voluntary blood donation, and other programs, indicating that 90% of the projects initiated by the union have been successfully implemented. Mr. Knight said that various vocational training programs have been organized with a view to develop the overall capacity of women, and over 47 million Nakfa loan has been disrupted to disadvantaged women with the aim to enable them improve their livelihoods. Mr. Knight went on to say that beehives have been distributed to 350 families were provided with 25 chicks each, and financial and material support has been extended to disadvantaged students. Mr. Knight further noted that as a result of the sustainable awareness raising activities, FGM practice that was over 95% in 2005 has been significantly reduced. Eritrean Olympian athlete Rahel Daniel has been nominated by the International Athletics Association, the best across-country runner at the international level. Athlete Rahel has been awarded the title after she won gold medal at the Almond Blossom cross-country Portugal on 27 February ahead of Ethiopian and Kenyan athletes finishing the race in 21:09. Ethiopian athlete Likina Ambao and athlete Lucy Mauya of Kenya won second and third place, finishing the race by 21:10 and 21:45 respectively. Olympian athlete Rahel Daniel is set to participate at indoor international athletics competition to be held on 18 March. In the same vein, according to the International Athletics Association, Eritrean Olympian athlete Dolshi Tesfu is ranked in the 6th place, while Eritrean Olympian athlete Aaron Kifle 5th. As part of the support the government and people of Eritrea, residential houses built by Parentu residents was handed over to war disabled veterans. At the ceremony conducted on 26 February, in which the Minister of Labor and Social Welfare, Mr. Yamane Mahare, acting administrator of Parentu City, said that supporting war disabled veterans is not to be left to the government only, and expressed appreciation to all contributed in the building and residential houses. Appreciating the initiative the residents of Parentu and Stesene took to support war disabled veterans, Ms. Lu'ul Gabrab, Minister of Labor and Social Welfare, said that the attested to the role and participation of communities in the national affairs. Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Hurui, Governor of the Gashbarka region, on his part, said that handing over residential houses to war disabled veterans has big meaning in the lives of the beneficiaries and commended those that contributed in the program. According to report, the 4 residential houses that have been handed over to the war disabled veterans were built at cost of about 3.3 million nakfa. We will be back with international news. Stay tuned. The next round of Russia-Ukraine peace talks could take place on Wednesday in Belarus that borders Poland, a source told CCTV on Tuesday. A Belarusian political scholar who is close with the Russian-Ukraine talks said one of the possible venues for the coming talks is a villa 80 kilometers from the Polish border. Preliminarily scheduled for Wednesday, the negotiation is likely to see 2 more participants from the Ukrainian delegation, said the source. The Belarusian scholars noted that the one party involved in the negotiation is at the mercy of Western countries. He also added the Belarusian side applauds the first talks that conclude Monday in Belarus. The first round of the negotiation, which lasted about 5 hours, concluded on Monday in Belarus with no clear breakthrough. Firefighters in Chile battled back blazes on Monday and Tuesday with region on red alert over raging wildfires. According to local officials, strong winds in the area are fueling the movement of the fires. In recent weeks, firefighters across Chile have been struggling to keep back fires amid a heat wave. Before we close for today's news, let's have a recap of the headlines tonight. 1 patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19. This is ERi today. International Women's Day commemoration. Russia and Ukraine peace talks. Firefighters in Chile battled back blazes. That was all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.